and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing auto-completion in Bash. So you may not have known this, but you can actually auto-complete from your history in Bash. So let's say for example I'm wanting to look up a command that I've done before like ffmpeg. Well, if I press the up arrow, I get the command that I last used. And if I keep pressing it, it gives me more history as to when I've used it and how I've used it. But then if I use the down arrow, it goes all the way back to the most recent history of me using that command. So then how do we get this? Well, in your home directory, you're going to want to have a file called .inputrc. And in this .inputrc file, we're going to put in double quotations \e left square bracket a. And this stands for the up arrow on your keyboard. Next, we're going to put a colon and then space, history-search-backward. And that's to go backwards in your history. On the next line, in double quotes, we're going to put \e left square bracket b. That's our down arrow. Then we're going to put a colon space history-search-forward, and that's going to go forward in our history. On the next line, we're going to set show-all-if-ambiguous on. And what this does is that whatever word you're trying to autocomplete, it will be partially completed up to the point where there is ambiguity and will print all completions in one step. So it'll go so far and then stop if there's duplicates. And then it'll want to ask you which one you want to choose. Well, I'm not sure if it really asks you, but I know it gives you options for if you want to do that again. On the next line, you'll want to set completion-ignore-case on, and this is so that way this is case insensitive. In other words, it doesn't matter whether it's uppercase or lowercase. It'll work no matter what. Go ahead and save it and try it out. We have now come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.